Good morning, everybody. Been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I'm back now. Um, Back with a how-to video this morning. I'm inside my car. I'll do a video on my vintage air I put in here. How I mounted it. It's not finished wired up yet, but it's in there. That's a part number right there for you. Okay, but that'll be another video. Right now, today we talking about wiring a 4-prong relay. As you see, I got it in my hand right here, and this is going to be my fuel pump relay. I'm actually relocating it to inside the car. I want it inside the car. Haven't figured out where I'm gonna relocate it to yet, but this is it. Show you the bottom of it. It has numbers on it. That first number at the top right there is 87. That's where the power from my fuel pump gonna go at. So fuel pump, whether it be a fuel pump, your fan, your lights, whatever, that's where that's gonna go at. On that top prong, they're gonna say 87. I don't know if I can focus in it far enough to let y'all see that. But yeah, that empty one right there looking right at you. 87. So every 4-prong relay is gonna have an 87, 86, 85, and 30. Okay, so we talking about 87 right now. 87 is gonna be your source, which is gonna be fuel pump, fan, lights, whatever. 86 is what I have the red wire, and that's going to my fuse. 86 is gonna run to your fuse box. Okay, you got that? The black wire, everybody know that's a ground. That's gonna be your 85 all the time. 85 to the ground. 30 right there. Right there. 30. That's going to your battery. Okay. It's going to your battery. When you run it to your battery, run your inline fuse. Hook it up to your positive side of your battery. An inline fuse, you can go to O'Reilly's, whatever parts store you have around the house. Napa, O'Reilly, Autos, and all of them have them. It's an inline fuse. Connect it. It comes like that. You buy it like that from orange to that right there, and you connect it on both sides, and you run that to your hot side of your battery. Do not hook that up unless you put an inline fuse in that line. I hate to see your car, burn down on the side of the road, man. Please, we invest a lot of money in these cars. Please put that inline fuse in there before you just do not hook that straight up. But to each his own, man. And yeah, I'm gonna finish wiring this up today. Go back to work, man, and spend some more money on this car. 10-4. Y'all have a good day.